Hi there, this is Frontend Search, and today we're gonna learn more about the powerful possibilities of JavaScript, and I'm gonna talk about building your own small computer and just in browser, and it's called Chip-8 JavaScript Chip-8 Emulator. It was a time back then when computers were quite slow, and Chip-8, the format of assembly language and of machine level language was introduced just to support very simple operations. And here's the demo of this JavaScript rendering these commands of this Chip-8 computer. And to get you more idea of what it is, I just gonna show you the link that I've added to this demo. So let's check the first one. So there is a GitHub repo, it's called Awesome Chip-8, and it tells a lot about this story of the Chip-8. So it's a kind of a console that didn't really exist, but you really can create the system of commands pretty much like all the CPUs right now, and it is software emulated, and we're gonna do the same. And also definitely you can do it on the hardware too, and so many consoles they support that. And so there is a lot of documentation. So I would say the first thing is to check is instruction set. So the instructions, we're gonna check them, and also a lot of different sorts of tools for that, and definitely some games archive. And we're just gonna check what is. You can see here that you on this small screen you can create a lot of stuff, and it's a lot of programmers who wrote this for fun and just to share with the community. So it's a lot of things you can do with this Chip-8 system. And also you can see that instruction set is quite simple, so let's check it out. So pretty much it can be put on the one page, and we see here some machine codes that similar to those that you have in your computer, in your CPU. And here it explains what this operation do. But like a wrap up, what we can do with this system Chip-8 is we can drawing something on the screen. There is also support of sound, but we don't really gonna use it in my demo. So it can do arithmetical operations, and also it has registers, and it can use these registers in order to specify pixels that we want to draw. And also it has memory, and can save something to the memory and load the program there, and also read from the memory. And also the classical set of the instructions include also subroutine, calling the subroutine, so it's some function in the other location at memory, and also some subroutine and some instruction to return from this subroutine to get back to the original place. We're gonna cover this in more details looking at the code of this emulator, and it would be much more clear how all this stuff works. And right now it's just a quick wrap up explaining a bit how you can explain the simple system that can be quite powerful with all these games like this, and with this just simple instructions list like that. And so we're getting back, and in the next videos we're gonna get to the code itself, and we're gonna learn how all this stuff works. See you soon, bye.